So instead of saying yesterday, you sent me late night. So you can say, ma'am, the video which I sent late night is related to could. Or you can also say last evening, the video which I sent. So that is the way of speaking. Last evening, late night, or like when you're talking to a office colleague in the, so you can say this morning I attended the class and I have learned a new word that's called sedentary. So aaj subha, this morning. So late evening, last evening, we speak like that. Okay. Okay. Can you see the video screen? Is it with?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here I'm going to tell you few things about diet. To slim down, if I have to say आप बहुत दुबले दिख रहे हैं या आप तो पतले दिख रहे हैं, so you have slimmed down. Slimmed, SLIMMED. हाँ, nicer way to say lose weight. Okay. Or if I
I
have,
can't see that you are looking, you have slim down. You are looking slim down.
you
It's
are
not correct.
looking me. You have slimmed down. Now when you are speaking, it will be in SLIMMED. It will be, you will use it in a past tense. So the tense would change. So if I have to tell you, I will say you need to slim down a little to lead a healthy life later on. Or my doctor has told me to slim down. So slim down means to lose weight. Or you have slimmed down after the Zumba classes. You look beautiful. Or you look so good. So that's the way we say it. Middle age spread, putting on weight simply as we get older. So this is a scene which we often face as women, that we gain weight after 45 and 50s, though we were very thin when we were in our 20s. So middle age spread, to get into shape, lose weight and look good. After my English classes, I am going to lose weight and get into shape. I have decided for this year, I have to get into shape. मुझे दुबला होना है. So here I will say to get into shape.
Wait.
That's the beautiful way or a proper way, better way of saying it. I want to get into shape. To cut down on something, to reduce, to eat something less. So I have cut down on sugar. I have cut down on fried stuff. Once in a while, I indulge in cheat meals, but usually I have nutritious and healthy food. So to cut down on something, you must cut down on your diet. You are gaining weight. Okay. Or you must cut down on your diet and get into shape. So that's the way we speak. To cut out, avoid eating something, to take things out of your diet. I have cut out dairy products. Now the only thing which I have is curds. So cut out. I have cut out milk and sugar from my diet, and I have included more fruits and salads, which is helping me to maintain a healthy lifestyle. 5 a day, 5 portions of fruit and vegetable. Crash diet, very severe diet. Crash diet can harm us. Obesity, a state of being overweight. To comfort eat, to eat food that makes you feel better. Usually it is unhealthy item such as burgers or cakes or outside food. And now why do we say that outside food is not so healthy? Because even if you have a simple dosa or a fried tikki outside or a kebab, the kind of oil they use, the quality and the quantity, you won't use it in your house. It's too much. So that's why we regard it that it's unhealthy. So best is make it at home. with the most like homemade ingredients, the spices, the kind of spices you use. That's why they are healthy. Like good quality of oil and less in number. I can make a half fried egg in less than half teaspoon in a non-stick pan. So that is why it is regarded as healthy. So let's repeat the words: to slim down,
To slim down,
middle age spread,
middle age spread,
to get into shape,
to get into shape,
to cut down on something,
to cut down on something,
to cut out
to cut out
5 a day,
5 a day,
crash diet,
crash diet,
to comfort eat,
to comfort eat,
obesity.
obesity,
I can say
obesity.
that obesity. So I can say whenever I am stressed, I like to comfort eat, and sometimes have a packet of chips. So that's my comfort eat. Chocolates. Whenever I'm feeling stressed, I have chocolates. So that's the way we say. Would you like to use it in your sentences, Upasana? Are you comfortable or you need your time?
Uh,
Any two,
um,
three
uh,
sentences you can make.
Ma'am, I will try.
Yeah,
I
good.
want to slim down because due to my age, I am going through middle age spread, and after I for this I have decided after my English course complete, I will get into shape, and I will definitely cut down on fatty foods,
But
and I'll cut out sugar from
today,
my tea.
from today.
I will cut out tea from today, and I'll definitely try to 5 fruits a day.
Okay.
I will also uh, I will also try not let my daughter eat crash diet, because it is very unhealthy for her also.
I
Because
will not let
nowadays
my daughter go on a crash diet because it's not healthy.
I will not.
Let my daughter do a crash diet. Usually,
Uh,
it is for adults, not for small children. Like we say, crash course, when 3 months course you're doing in 15 days. So, crash diet means every month you could have lost 1 kg, 2 kg, but in 1 week you are losing 7 kg. So, that is called a crash diet. Regular exercise and dieting. Okay,
crash diet.
obesity. Yeah,
Obesity nowadays it is very commonly seen in children. They are suffering from obesity. I
great.
will try to keep my daughter healthy, and as she likes to take comfort eat like chocolate, but I will try to keep it away from her.
Good. You have made excellent sentences. Nice.
Thank you.
Good.